Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Soul we're going to go over how you would replace your rear taillights or all the taillights in here. So you've got your side markers, are these two. This is the brake light and clearance light, and then you have your blinker and just your regular blinker light here, and then your reverse light. And you also have the high mount brake light, and we'll go over how you replace all that. So to start with, you're going to need to pop the trunk because we have to remove this whole housing to be able to get access to the lights. To pop this trunk, you reach down here and pull it. Now, this won't actually unlock without having some power to the vehicle. So if you have a dead battery, you're going to need to put a jump pack on there or charge the battery and the engine battery to be able to get this trunk to open, unless you climb in through the back and manually. So once the trunk has been opened and raised up, you're going to see 4 screws that you're going to need to remove. These are just a P2 screw. Okay, so we've got the screws removed, and you'll be able to remove this whole thing. They're going to have some pins on this side, so you just want to kind of get your fingers under and just put some pressure on it, pull it straight out. And now we've got that pulled and removed. And now there's just an electric connector back here. You're going to squeeze this tab here and pull it away, and then that way you can remove the whole thing so that you can go through the process of replacing all the lights that are inside here. Now if you were replacing this whole element because it was cracked or broken, this is it removed, and then you would make sure that all the lights are put back in here, and then connect this electric back up. And then you'll see these right here are the tabs that were holding it in on this side that you needed to hold a little bit more, or apply some pressure to pull it out. Right, so you would connect this electric back up if you're replacing just the housing because it's cracked or broken for any reason. And then you just line up the little tabs there. Apply some pressure, push it in, install your 4 screws, and that would be the removal and installation of the whole tail light assembly. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.